morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the addition of fraction. First I am taking like fraction. 8 by 11 plus 2 by 11. See, the denominators are same. They are like fraction. For like fraction we have to add the numerators and write the same denominator as it is. Okay, numerator 8 and 2 we are adding here. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Denominator same, 10 by 11. Okay, now 3 like fractions. 4 by 13, 7 by 13 plus 5 by 13. Okay, here also they are like, all the denominators are same. We have to add all the numerators. 4 plus 7 plus 5, same denominator, no need to add. Write the same denominator here. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 5 is 16 by 13. Here it is an improper fraction. Improper means numerator is greater than denominator. So we have to convert this improper into mixed fraction. Okay, for mixed fraction we can divide 13 how many times? 1 time. Remainder is 3. Okay, then answer is 1. Remainder numerator, denominator same. 1, 3 by 13. That is the answer of this like fractions addition. Okay, for like fractions it's simple. Just add the numerator and write the answer here. Write the denominator same as it is, you can write. If it is improper, then you can convert that one into mixed fraction. Now we are adding unlike fraction. What is unlike? Unlike means different denominator. I am taking two fractions. 4 by 9 plus 2 by 6. See, the denominators are different. They are unlike fraction. Before adding this, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fraction. That means denominator would be same. Okay, for that case. Okay, so we have to convert this unlike fraction to like fraction. For that, first step, find the LCM of 9 and 6. We know how to find the LCM. Division method you can apply. Here one even number is there. 6 is an even number, so you can take 2 as the first prime factor. In 9 it will not go, so you can write as it is. In 6, 3 times it will go. Okay. Now there is no even number. Next prime factor is 3. How many times? 3 3s are 9. Here 1 time. Okay. Next prime is 3. Here 1 time. Here also 1 time. Okay. All the remainders are 1. So we can stop this process. We got 3 prime factors. For LCM, you can multiply these 3 prime factors. 2 into 3 into 3. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. Now next step, first fraction is 4 by 9. We have to convert this denominator equal to 18. Convert all the denominators equal to 18. Thus this become like fractions. So we have to convert this one 9, 18. We have to convert 9 to 18. Okay, see, in the factors we can remove 9. Here the denominator is 9 na, so you can remove 9. 3 3s are 9. You can remove it. Remaining number is 2. So you can multiply this number, numerator and denominator, with 2. Okay, check the denominator. Denominator is 9. In the LCM factors, you can remove 9. 3 3s are 9 now. You can remove 9. Rest, that means the remaining number is 2. You can multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. What will we get? 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Okay, now take the next factor, next fraction, sorry. Yes, here it is 6. Okay, here in the prime factors, 6 you can remove. 2 3s are 6. Remove it. The remaining number is 3. You can multiply the numerator and denominator with 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Now the equivalent fraction, that means 4 by 9, I am converting 4 by 9 by multiplying this 8 by 18. This one 6 by 18. Now see these two fractions, the denominators are same, equal to 18. Here also 18, here also 18. That means they are like fractions. So you can add like this way, 4 by 9 plus 2 by 6. Okay, we have to add these two. 4 by 9, instead of this, you can replace this fraction 8 by 18 plus 2 by 6. Which number? 6 by 18. Okay, now see the denominators are same, so you can add easily, add the numerator and write the denominator as it is. 8 plus 4, 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 by 18 is the answer. Okay, see, if the denominators are different, we have to find the LCM of this denominator. By division method you can find the factors, you can find the product of these factors, you will get the LCM. After that you can multiply the same number, the numerator and denominator, with the same number. You will get two fractions, that means like fractions, same denominators. We can add these two fractions like this way, add the numerators and write the denominator as it is. You will get the answer. Okay, before adding unlike fraction, first we have to convert them into like fraction. For converting them, we are finding the LCM of these two denominators. Then we converted these two fractions to like fractions. After converting, we can add easily by adding numerators. Okay children, one more example I am taking. This time I am taking two mixed fractions. 5 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 3 by 6. Okay, we have to add these three fractions. Okay, here the denominators are different, that's okay. Before that, you see, these two first and last two fractions are mixed fraction. We cannot do anything with the mixed fraction, so I am converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 3s are, okay, you know how to make a improper fraction. How can we convert this one into improper fraction? First we have to multiply this one and add this, that is the numerator. denominator will be the same. Okay, we are doing 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3 plus this one simple fraction, so you can write like this way, same. Next is again a mixed fraction. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 by 6. Okay, now they are simple fractions. Okay, but they are unlike, different denominators. For different denominators we have to find LCM first. LCM, 3 numbers we have. Use working column for the LCM work. 3 4 6 division method you can apply. Here also even numbers are there, so we can take the first prime factor as 2. Here 3, it will not go, same as it is you can write. In 4, 2 2s are 4. 6 also even, 2 3s are 6. Okay, again one more even number is here. Next number also, factor also, prime factor 2. Here same as it is, into 1 time. In 3 it will not go, as it is you can write. Now all the even numbers is over. All the even numbers we already took the factors. Now next prime factor is 3. How many times in 3? 1 time. Here 1 as it is, here also 1 time. Now all the remainders are 1. So you can stop the process. Now multiply all the prime factors. 2 into 2 into 3. How much? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. This is the LCM. Now I am going to convert this one into like fraction. 16 by 3. That is the first fraction, right? Okay, 3 is here. Here the denominator is 3. We can remove 3. Okay, remaining is 2 numbers are there. Okay, 2 into 2. That is 4. You can multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 16 4. So you can use the working column. 64, 3 4s are 12. Okay, first fraction I am converting by multiplying 4 and 4. You will get 64 by 12. And next fraction I am taking 1 by 4. Here the denominator is 4. You can remove 4 from here, from the factors. Now the remaining number is 3. You can multiply denominator and numerator by 3. 1 3 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay, next fraction is 15 by 6. Okay, here the denominator is 6. 6 means 2 into 3 6. You can remove 2 into 3. The remaining number is 2. You can multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. 15 2s are 30. 2 6 are 12. Now see, all the denominators are same. That means they are like fractions. So it is easy. We have to add 16 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 15 by 6. Okay, instead you can replace 16 by 3, 64 by 12, 1 by 4, 3 by 12, 15 by 6, 30 by 12. Now see, all the fractions all are with the same denominator. You can add the numerator 64 plus 3 plus 30 divided by 12 as it is you can write. Okay, add 64. You can use working column. 97 is the numerator by 12. Here also it is a improper fraction. That means numerator is greater than this. You can convert this one into mixed fraction. For converting that, 97 divided by 12. How many times it will go? I think 7 times. 84. Okay, 96, 8 times. Sorry, it's 8 times it will go. So it's 96. So 1 is the remainder. Okay, now the answer become 8. What is the remainder? It is the numerator, denominator same. That is the answer. 8, 1 by 12 is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay, for unlike fraction, we have to find the LCM and make them like and add the numerator. So you can you will get add the numerator and write the denominator as it is, and you will get the answer like this way. Okay children, hope you understand all the things clearly. Okay children, bye.